So when you're buying a house, there's going to be at minimum 2 times you're going to need to most likely wire money to the title company. Tyler, the home loan guy here, and one thing you need to make sure that you do while wiring the money is make sure you're wiring it to the right location. Wire fraud is a really big deal right now, and it's happening constantly. And if you get caught up in that, your money will be gone instantly. There's nothing anyone can do. There's going to be two main times that you have to wire money, and that is when you put down your earnest money deposit, and then also at the day before or day of closing that you're wiring the rest of your down payment and closing costs. Now you're going to want to make sure that you are getting those wire instructions from a credible source, but then also always call to either the title company or your attorney to make sure that those wire instructions are the correct wire instructions. Never click on a link and take the email or the PDF that is being sent to you as the correct wire instructions. Always call the respected source and make sure that you are verifying those wire instructions verbally with someone that you know, making sure that you never get caught up in wire fraud, because it is a really big issue right now.